It's a problem. The vibes on the farm.
Come, the car is coming. Come here.
Hi, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. This is Myrahan, you guys. Welcome back. So we are at the farm now. My brother's farm. Everybody has a homestead.
Coming, come here.
This is my brother's. And there he's coming now. We are meeting him here. There he's coming now. This is how grown the figs are. They're a little bit late. Oh my goodness, the wind is pretty strong. This is how grown they are. The season is in December. It's supposed to be ripe in December. But this one is a young plant, I guess. So we're in my brother's garden here, you guys. It was a pretty good size garden. It's for the house. It's not a commercial garden. It's he's into self-sustainability, so this is just for the house. In his future plans are to enlarge and then commercialize the garden. So here is my hubby and our son. My brother planted some watermelons and melons, normal veggies like lettuce, spinach, eggplant, or brinjal as they're called also, onions, garlic, and corn and tomatoes. He also has some figs and pomegranates and oranges and things like that. Big trees of that. These are just the new acres. This year he was just trying the soil to test the soil and see everything, how it's gonna be. He got the analysis, but he still needed to test it to see the yield, and the yield was quite good this year. We had veggies all around. In spite of the rains that was very shy this year, but hoping that next year will be better. Here are just the melons and my mom's pup just snuffling around. Oh, you guys, she puts her nose everywhere. These are just some of the melons, watermelons. So they were so sweet, you guys. This is my mom's pup. She is everywhere. He was he had to water the garden himself from the water that he's buying from Nem water. So next year it will be better, mashallah. Yes, no matter. Papa and his son is running around like a mad person around the perimeters of the garden. I don't know why. Which one is having food? Oh, this one. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa, it's full, Papa. This tree is full of food. Yeah. Hello. This is my mom's baby. This is the homestead of my brother. Everybody is having their own place, Papa. Huh? The proper date. They will take a long time, yes.
Their business and is God gifted. Is that them do it. The rest focus. Focus on date.
this is my brother's house. This is the structure for the workers. Actually, he will still build his house, but this one was built so quickly. It was built in 3 days, and yeah, but it's a good structure, you guys. This is the bed, the bathroom, in the shower and the toilet. Separate shower and toilet, and yeah, it still has some blendings here. No, the harnat Andrew. No. So you guys, this is how the inside of the structure is looking. It's quite strong. It's made out of steel and the wood, and you build it up with cement from the foundation. So it's quite good. It has got insulation for the heat, yeah, and it's gonna be for the workers. They just needed to do this for the Christmas season. My brother was very blessed this year because he spent the Christmas in his new place at the new farm with a newborn baby. Thank you, God. Mashallah, we were blessed this year. Thank you. Very beautiful, you guys. I'm so proud of my brother. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. This farm is located next to the Mopani in the Kunene region of Namibia. We have the iconic Mopani tree growing here. We are getting the Mopani worms from this tree. We are eating the worms, you guys. And with the prospects of rains in this area, I hope the yield will be better next year. Please don't forget to share the video, like and subscribe, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we're greeting you from Namibia. Take care and God bless. We love you. Bye.